In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can have a tornado chart that goes from ascending to descending in Microsoft Excel. So the first key piece is structuring your data in a way that the chart will be produced in a way that it will go from ascending to descending. So what I mean by this is you have your positive piece and your negative piece. And you want to make sure that for your positive piece and negative piece that one you don't have your negative positive pieces where you have your negative pieces on the same row, and vice versa. You don't want to have your positive for your negatives on the same row. And you then want to make sure that you have them in two separate columns, so your negatives in one column and your positives in another. And that each kind of group is going from either the higher to lower or lower to higher depending on how you want the data to be structured. Then you want to highlight the data and go to the Insert tab. And then you want to go to Recommended Charts. From here you want to go to All Charts and you want to click on Bar. And as you can see, because they have the data structured properly, it goes from ascending to descending and then vice versa. Now this might not necessarily be what I'm looking for, so I might want to have it be like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And as you can see, by having that structured, it goes from highest to lower, 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 then lower, lower, lower. And this can be very helpful if you're trying to explain variances and kind of what exactly could be contributing to said variances. This could also need some formatting and some colors, but the key piece before you do the formatting is getting the chart to structure the way that you want it to. I said, hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.